Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. I am an artist and the creator of Pretty Bird. Inspired by the nature I find in my own tiny urban backyard, I create sketches, illustrations, and paintings of the local birds I see and also the beautiful natural landscapes in which they thrive. I've been using these sketches to create fun products for you to wear, use, and enjoy. So come with me now and I'll show you what I have up in my home art studio. Welcome to the Pretty Bird Art Studio. I'm going to show you a few of the items you'll find on our website. We sell coffee mugs, notebooks, clothing such as leggings. For the beach, we sell flip-flops, beach towels, tote bags. We have home decor items such as this pillow I have here. Isn't that fun? It's one of my favorite items that we sell. Whether you're a backyard birder, honey, the squirrels knocked over the bird feeder again. A big city birder, I think I see Drake. Or a birder who likes to go beyond, you'll find exactly what you need to show your bird love at shopprettybird.com. So stay well, and we hope to see you soon. Bye for now.
Three. Oh, in case it's pooing, okay.
What did it do?